Tomatoes have more genes than humans. Imagine this. You walk into your kitchen, grab a fresh tomato, and take a bite. Now, have you ever thought about the secrets hidden inside that small red fruit? You might be surprised to learn that tomatoes, yes, those simple juicy fruits we toss into salads or slice onto sandwiches, actually have more genes than humans. It's true. A tomato genome contains about 31,760 genes, far surpassing the roughly 20,000 to 25,000 genes we humans have. It seems a little mind-boggling, doesn't it? Here we are, complex creatures with advanced brains, culture, and technology, and yet, in terms of raw genetic material, the humble tomato takes the lead. But what does this mean? Why does a tomato need so many more genes than we do? Well, genes are responsible for carrying instructions for how an organism grows, develops, and functions. For tomatoes, those genes determine everything from the color of their skin to their ability to resist disease, and even how they ripen in the summer sun. Each gene is like a tiny instruction manual telling the plant how to survive and thrive in a wide range of environments. In fact, scientists have discovered that tomatoes have such a rich genetic blueprint because they come from a long line of hardy ancestors. They've evolved to adapt to a variety of climates, from deserts to rainforests, and have developed intricate systems to cope with stress, disease, and pests. It's a marvel of nature how this little fruit, so often taken for granted, carries so much genetic potential. When scientists first sequenced the tomato genome, it was a breakthrough in understanding plant biology. By comparing the tomato genome to that of other plants, they've been able to improve crop yields, enhance resistance to diseases, and even develop tomatoes that taste better or have a longer shelf life. It's a perfect example of how even the smallest organisms, like tomatoes, hold vast stores of potential that could benefit not just their species, but ours as well. So next time you bite into a tomato, remember that inside that humble fruit lies a genetic code more complex than you might ever have imagined. It's a little reminder of how much there is still to learn about the world around us. If you enjoyed this fascinating fact, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to help the channel grow.